Hello children, today's topic is chapter 4, birds. The most beautiful and fascinating creatures of the animal classification. First, before going to the topic, we will first learn the parts of a bird. Head, eye, wings, feathers, tail, foot, legs, breast and beak. So what are the special features here when we see a bird? The feathers. Because of that feathers only, first learn what are the special features. Boat-shaped structure of a bird makes them fly. And next, hollow bones. Hollow means filled with air. So the hollow bones makes them fly very light in the air. And next feature, it is covered with feathers. It also makes the body very lighter and also helps them keep the body warm. And presence of flight muscles. These are strong flight muscles that helps them to move the wings. And the tail acts as a steering to change the directions during the flight. And there are two types of feathers. What are they? Down feathers and flight feathers. Down feathers are covered all over the body and the flight feathers are present only in wings and tails. So flight means to fly. So these flight feathers found in the wings and tails are useful for flying. Next, how do birds fly? When they want to fly, they first flap their wings and they perform two strokes. What are they? Upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke means moving the wings upward and backward. Downstroke means moving the wings downward and forward. When they reach the desired height, they will stop flapping and simply glide through the air. And when they want to get down, they will spread their wings, stop flying and land on the tree. Next, birds and their flight. Now I have told you how they will fly. But not all the birds fly at the same height. Some birds will move to very higher heights and some will move only to a shorter distance and some do not fly at all. If we take an example of a kite and parrot, they will move to very long distances. And hen and myna, they will just move very short distances. And birds like kiwi, penguin and ostrich, they don't move at all. They will have the wings but they don't fly. And some animals like some birds like duck have webbed feet that makes them very special, that they can also move in the water. And next topic is how the birds eat their food. Birds don't have teeth as we have, so they uses their beaks and claws to eat the food, and the structure and size of the beak based on the food they eat. Let us see some examples. Birds like parrot have short curved beak to break the nuts. And birds like sparrow have a very short pointed beak to collect the seeds and grains. Birds like woodpecker have a long pointed beak so that they can make a hole inside the trees and pull out the insects. Birds like kingfisher have a very long beaks and long legs because they eat fish as food. So based on the food the bird eat, the beak structure and size differs. And next, coming to the birds' nests. Nests are nothing but the homes of birds. They build the nest to protect their babies and to lay the eggs in the nest. So some birds build the nest with twigs, grass, leaves, rags, cotton, wool, papers, and so many things. So when they build their nest, actually in the month of April, mostly they build the nest. As soon as the egg laying season nears, a bird starts building its nest. When the eggs are laid, the bird keeps them in the nest and sit on the eggs so that the eggs will get hatched. What are the different types of nest? Eagle will build a nest on the tree, and birds like partridge will build a nest on the ground, and a tailor bird uses its beak to stitch the leaves and make a nest. Woodpecker, with the help of its beak, make a hole in the trees and build a nest inside the trees. Next topic, how the birds helpful for the humans. Birds have helped the humans in many ways, like they eat the insects on the farm that are very harmful to the crops, and when they eat the seeds, they will just throw them at another place, so they are helpful in spreading the seeds. And some birds like crows, vultures, eagles that are considered as carnivores eat only flesh of the dead animals, so by that they make the environmental clean. Understood? Birds so fly high like a bird and achieve your goals. Thank you.